welcome back. So I just got my COVID results today morning and I'm negative, but I just decided to stay in for most of the time today, and for the first time in 20 years I witnessed snowfall. So here I am just having lunch, which I ordered from Only You Cafe on campus, and I'm also watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine. So the snowfall got super heavy after a while, and it's the most beautiful thing ever. I have like 1,000 snowfall videos on my phone by now, and this is just one of them. So I didn't do much yesterday, just edited some videos, helped my sister with her school project online, and ate food and watched Netflix the whole day. But now it's morning. Wow, that 1 hour really made such a difference. So I have to check out of my self-isolation unit here and move into my residence dorm today. Super cold and snowy outside, and I'm just walking to my dorm first to see how far it is and to check in. Then I'll be coming back to get my suitcases and we'll take a taxi to move them. So I'm just gonna walk back and grab my suitcases. So I just moved into my dorm apartment at Fairview Crescent, and I'll give you all a quick tour of the living area and my room. So here's the sitting and dining area and the kitchen. And this is a 4-bedroom shared unit, so all of us have single rooms with 2 shared washrooms and a shared kitchen and living room. So this is what my room looks like, all clean and not messy. There's a nice big study table and storage space above the study table. More storage beside and above the bed. And a hanging wardrobe. Let me just turn the lights on for a better view. So yeah, there was a lamp and trash can with the room as well. I'm just gonna go quickly grab us up for dinner now, but thank you so much guys, and see you in my next video.